government has decided to put the proposed Delimitation Bill on hold after the Constitution Amendment Bill on Women's Reservation failed to pass in the Lok Sabha. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju said on April 17th that the two measures were interconnected, and with the Women's Quota Bill falling short, the government would not proceed with delimitation at this stage. The amendment bill secured 278 votes in favour and 211 against, failing to meet the required two-thirds majority for passage. Following this, the Union government said it will not move ahead with two related bills, saying they cannot be viewed in isolation. The centre had earlier linked the delimitation exercise with the rollout of women's reservation, arguing that both reforms were part of a broader plan to restructure representation. The decision effectively pauses a major proposed overhaul of parliamentary constituencies ahead of the expected delimitation exercise after 2026, when the current freeze on seat redistribution ends. Responding to the debate, Home Minister Amit Shah said delimitation was necessary to correct the imbalance between voters and members of parliament. He also accused previous Congress governments of delaying the process. During the debate, Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi criticized the bill, alleging that it was an attempt to alter the electoral map and reduce representation of southern, northeastern, and smaller states. He described the move as anti-national and said the opposition would resist it.